Hey friends, we are now going to talk about composite shapes. Remember, composite shapes are when you make shapes out of shapes. Okay, here's an example. I can make a rectangle using a square and another square. I just put them together and now I have a rectangle. See that? The rectangle is the composite shape, and that name comes from composite. That name composite comes from composing a shape, and when you compose something, you create it. So I am composing the rectangle out of two squares. So the rectangle is the composite shape. All right. Now, do you remember this? Our old friend, do you remember the name? Trapezoid, yes. Now I'm going to set this to the side. I'm going to use triangles to make a trapezoid. You think I could do that? So watch this. Look at that. Look at that. So now I've used three triangles to make the trapezoid. That means that the trapezoid is the composite shape. All right, do you remember what this one is called? This one is called a rhombus. Good, a rhombus. Now, I'm going to set that over here to the side. I'm going to use two triangles to make a rhombus. Do you think I can do it? Check this out. Watch. Cool, huh? Look at that. That right there is a rhombus, and it's a composite shape because I used two shapes to make it. All right, let's see. Oh, I don't know about this. This one's pretty, Okay, do you remember this? I'm going to show you a couple different ways to make this. All right, this is a hexagon. Good. I can make a hexagon a couple different ways out of the shapes that I have here. I can make, and you know what, I'm just going to do it right on top of here so that you can see how I do it. I'm going to make it out of 6 triangles. Watch this. You see what I'm doing? And you think you can figure it out? There's 3 triangles. You can see I'm about halfway done there. There we go. Look at that. Now, instead of a yellow hexagon, it's a green hexagon because I made it out of the green triangles. So now the hexagon is a composite shape. Okay. I'll take these off. I'm going to make it, let's see, I can make another hexagon using trapezoids. See what I'm doing? Pretty cool, huh? How about that? Now, I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to replace it with, well, I'm going to use that. Put that one back. 1 trapezoid and 3 triangles to make, there you go, to make the hexagon. How about that? There's one more thing I want to show you. I can make a hexagon one more way. Well, I probably could make it a lot of different ways, but one more for today, for this video. I'm going to use, do you remember this? What these are? Rhombuses. I'm going to make a rhombus, or use rhombuses to make hexagon. There we go. So again, that hexagon that we made, the blue one, the blue hexagon is the composite shape because I used all the other shapes to make it. Pretty cool, huh? That's what you're going to do today in Seesaw.